Guys, are you still working from home and are in need of a cool but affordable conference speaker microphone with some very cool features? Well, today I'm taking a look at the AI MIC M4 360 degree omni-channel conference speaker with HD noise reduction and echo cancellation from Lemorele, and it's coming right up. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, today, yes, I'm looking at this Lemorele AI MIC M4 360 degree noise cancelling microphone system. Now, before we get into it guys, Lemorele sent me this to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And if you follow my channel, you'll know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. So guys, let's take a quick look at what we've got in the box. Now, as soon as we open the box, we are greeted with the AI MIC M4 itself and a nice carry bag, some instructions, and a USB-A to USB-C cable. Now guys, first impressions are this looks like a Google Assistant, or what they're calling a Google Nest Mini now. It feels solid, it has cloth covering the top and the bottom, and this kind of aluminium bezel, which on the front houses the power button and the Bluetooth connect button. Yeah, Bluetooth. This bad boy can be connected via a USB-C cable to your computer, and it can be used wirelessly via Bluetooth on both your computer and whatever other Bluetooth devices you want, like smartphones and tablets. So that's pretty cool, right? Oh, and of course, because it's wireless, yeah, you guessed it, it also has a built-in rechargeable battery, meaning you can pack this little wonder in your bag and take it everywhere. Now, as far as features go, this has a 360 degree omnidirectional microphone, so it's going to be picking up your voice and others if you're in a room with more than one person speaking. Others, such as the Jabra I used to use, only have a directional mic at the front, so you had to be pretty much square on or the sound quality was impaired. Guys, you also have a noise reduction, which is going to block out background noise, ensuring clear and crisp audio. And you've also got echo cancellation, which I can tell you guys can be a problem, as some conference solutions do not do this very well at all. So having it in the hardware is going to be the best. Now guys, on the top, once you power this up, you will see LED controls under the mesh that control hang up, pick up, volume up and down, which when pressed you'll see the volume level indicator, and a microphone mute button which glows red when the mic is muted. So guys, using this, the quality was very good. My callers said they could hear me fine. The sound quality of the speaker was really quite good. Comparing this to the Nearity device which I use, which is probably about the same diameter, but it's definitely a lot taller, the sound quality was just as good. And the Nearity device, guys, costs about £400. There are some other smarts in that, so don't think it's just like for like, but in terms of sound quality, it is like for like. So guys, that just about wraps this one up. This AI MIC M4 conference speaker from Lemorele is light, sounds great, and it is compatible with all conference apps. I tried it with Zoom, Google and Teams, and all my callers did say I was clear. And given that this is wireless and has a built-in battery, it's a really useful tool to use while you're in your office, or you know what, if you're out and about, pop it in your bag. At a cost of around £67 at the time of making this video, it's significantly cheaper than the Jabra equivalent and definitely cheaper than my Nearity. Guys, I will leave any additional discounts and all the product links in the description. And if you have any comments or questions, you know what to do. And if you like the video, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Guys, thanks to you for watching, and thanks to Lemorele for sending me this rather great product. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.